3, 2, 1. What we have here is welcome to stockmarketfunding.com. And one of our new students who just joined here came out using his skills of a short on RIMM. And as he's been taught, and his short's at 72, 34? And what I want people to know up here at resistance levels is we were 96.27% overbought on the 3-minute. That means that you are going to come down, and that also means that there's going to be no sustainability through that resistance because you're too overbought at this element of time. And now we're going to come down and test here. And so he's making 30 cents on a short. 1,000 shares is $300 some. The thing about it is, percent DS was higher. It's been dropping. It's down to 71. You got a negative CCI. You've got a declining MACD, bar 1, bar 2 to go along with that trade and that setup below the 10-minute. The 10-minute period moving average falls in price. Then that means that any up move is resistance is now going to be right here at half of that down bar. And if it comes up and hits it, you wouldn't really cover into resistance. You'd have to come up, come back down, and you'd have to have a closing stop. So as they're taught here is to watch the deterioration of their 4 indicators. And right now I've got the 10-minute starting to lose value. That means it's going to be weaker. The 20-minute period moving average, which is kind of below it on low volume, this is a pivot point where the stock might get some ground. And that's right above 72 here. And we're 72.03 by 04. The point of it is that you were too overbought right there and you had to have a turn. As to how much further it will go will be watching these indicators. And what it did was RIMM worked its overbought intraday level off. So the setup was right. The percent DS was right. The decline in the CCI. The falling MACD, 3 bars, this being the third, going down in value. And we want to see here where that 10-minute, which is this blue line, that's half of the bar resistance. But we want to make sure that if this starts to roll over in value, 10-minute rolling over is what we're going to look at. Stock is struggling right there, like I said, right above 72 at the 20-minute. Perfect trade. Perfect setup for what it was willing to give right there.